we will discuss solutions of test 15, and this test includes chapters nervous control and coordination, another chapter chemical control and coordination. Let us start discussing. Question number 1. The defect of eye develops in the old age because defect of in old age is presbyopia. In presbyopia, loss of power of accommodation. It occurs due to elasticity of lens of eye decreases. So the correct answer is D. Lens loses its elasticity. Question number 2. Transmission of nerve wave can be recorded with the help of transmission of nerve impulse. Transmission of nerve impulse is recorded by the help of the instrument known as oscilloscope. So the correct answer is A. Question number 3. During transmission of the nerve impulse, the potential inside the membrane has the following type of charge: A, first positive, then negative, then back positive; B, first negative, then positive, then back negative; C, first positive, then negative and remain negative; D, first negative, then positive and remain positive. The correct answer is B, because during resting stage, inside potential is negative. So the correct answer is B. Question number 4. Action of the peptide hormone on a target cell is mediated by peptide hormone acts by binding to extracellular receptor. This extracellular receptor then forms hormone receptor complex. The formation of hormone receptor complex, activation of secondary messenger occurs, and secondary messenger, example cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, calcium. So the correct answer is B, cyclic AMP. Question number 5. Cholecystokinin is secreted by A, stomach, B, small intestine, C, liver, D, spleen. Cholecystokinin is secreted by small intestine, and this cholecystokinin increases secretion of bile juice from gallbladder. Inhibits decreases secretion of gastric juice. Promotes secretion of pancreatic juice. Question number 6. Which gland is responsible for immunity in human? A, adrenal gland, B, thymus, C, parathyroid, D, thyroid gland. Correct answer is B, thymus, because thymus secretes hormone thymosin, which helps in development and maturation of lymphocytes, and these lymphocytes provide immunity. So the correct answer is thymus. Question number 7. The stomach pain impulses are received by receptors known as A, proprioceptors, B, exteroreceptors, C, free nerve ending, or D, chemoreceptors. Pain receptors are known as nociceptors, and these nociceptors are free nerve endings. So the correct answer is C. Question number 8. The functioning of adrenal medulla gland is similar to those of nerves because adrenal medulla and nerves both secrete neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters help in maintaining coordination. So the correct answer is B. Adrenal medulla and nerves secrete chemicals such as adrenaline and noradrenaline. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is correct? Correct statement. Statement number A. Endocrine glands regulate neural activity, but not vice versa. This was B. Neurons regulate endocrine activity but not vice versa. B is also false. C. Endocrine glands regulate neural activity and nervous system regulates endocrine gland. This statement is true because both systems work in integrated manner. Statement D. Neither hormonal control, neural control, nor the neurons control the endocrine activity. This statement is also false. So the correct statement is C. Question number 10. Figure shows urinary system with structures labeled A and D. Select option which correctly identifies them and gives their characteristic and or functions. So the correct answer is C. Question number 11. Calcitonin secretion is stimulated by calcitonin. Calcitonin causes decrease in blood calcium level, so it is secreted during hypercalcemia. So correct answer is D. Hypercalcemia. Question number 12. What is found in the periphery of spinal cord? A. Gray matter, B. Myelinated nerve, C. White matter, and D. Notochord. Histology of spinal cord. Spinal cord has inner gray matter and peripheral white matter. So the correct answer is C. Question number 13. The energy provided during transmission of impulse is provided by A. Brain, B. Nerve fiber, C. Liver, D. Stimulating agent. So the correct answer is nerve fiber. It is. So the correct answer is B. Nerve fiber. Question number 14. Hearing is controlled by. Hearing is controlled by. For hearing, there is a primary acoustic center located in temporal lobe of cerebrum. So the correct answer is C. Temporal lobe. Question number 15. Bowman's glands are located in A. Anterior pituitary. B. Female reproductive system of cockroach. C. Olfactory epithelium of our nose, proximal end of uriniferous tubules. Bowman's gland, also known as olfactory glands, they are present in olfactory epithelium of nose. These are mucus gland and moisten, the olfactory epithelium. So the correct answer is C. Olfactory epithelium of our nose.